Yeah, no kidding. Ooh.
Yeah. Good Lord. Gracious. Man, they don't give you much foot, just the bars.
Oh.
Funny.
Oh man, cool. Yeah. Another shadow. We're going through the portal. The portal.
Yeah, see, push it here.
Oh, this is so cool. That's where we're going, up there somewhere.
Leave it to you. That's a cool image of you standing right there.
I gotta feel like that.
Okay, George, how does that happen? How does that happen? Explain that. Come on, geologist. Covered wagons to me, but now that you're saying golf carts, maybe that's
Oh,
what
golf carts.
Gophers. Yeah. Oh. It looks like it could be like a little helicopter covered up on a trailer. You can see your shadow.
You're killing me. You're killing me.
This is yours, George.
Oh, thank you.
Yeah.
Oh man, wow, that's quite the jug you have there. It was dark enough you could see the iridium glow. What you making?
I'm making a chicken pasta dish. Well, actually, it's
So it's not?
Chicken and rice.
Chicken and rice.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Gonna go check on the Blair. Would you look at that? Got a moon going. We did not order moon tonight. Uh-oh. Blair's putting his pants on.
Oh, yeah. Moving down.
Coming around to visit Mr. Blair. Okay.
Come on in.
Yeah, look at this pad. Oh.
Macaroni.
Excellent.
Cheese. We got a little fire going over there. Oh, yeah. I guess we could get ours going, huh? Get a little fire going here soon.
Gotta eat.
That's kind of cool.